Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be kayaking to Flag Island and Gull Island because they connect, so I'm gonna walk there. It's very bright and early today. It's around 10 o'clock. And the sun is very bright. I'm here with Kian. Link in the description possibly if I remember. And yeah, I'm gonna go, we're gonna go to the island, so I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Hey guys, okay, welcome. Yeah, we made it to Flag. There's the kayaks over there. Let's see, I'll just zoom in real quick. You can see them right there, and we are heading over there. That's a cliff, and then we will be going that way to this crab corner. Fiddler crabs everywhere. Well, in the summer. I think it's also in a different time. I'm here with Kian, you already know. The water is chilly, that's why I'm not going in. Wearing my waterproof shoes because they are very cold. And they're very old, my shoes. Now, he has the new iPhone. Not the new iPhone, but the newer iPhone 10, so his quality's better, but the next time we're coming here is 2021, possibly. A lot of parties.
They don't social distance.
No, first of all, they don't. And second of all, they leave a bunch of their beer cans so then you cut your foot.
So, like, we've been,
Wait, look at the stream.
Yes.
That's new.
That's definitely new. Okay, so now there's a new stream right here. That's producing a little bit of current. Surprisingly. So, yeah. You see that? Oh my god, it actually is producing current. I think it's draining the lake.
Which is not good.
So, yeah, this is a lake.
Gotcha.
This is like somewhat of a lake. Oh my god.
That is deep.
There's black mud though.
That is very deep.
So, yeah, there's black mud. Deep. Next to this lake right here.
We could probably build we'd probably get a tiny mesh net where the water still goes through and then catches all the fish.
Jumping across.
Crap. Alright, this is the phone.
Okay, look at me. So, I don't feel like walking in this. I'm not getting my sweatpants wet. I'm jumping across. Trevor got across because it's tall. Trevor got across.
I got my feet wet a little tiny bit, and my feet are getting more wet with these.
Oh yeah, more boats. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah.
So this is, it's basically a flag. This is what they do with the flags over there at Flag Island.
This is what they do with the flags. So they got a
bucket
and they
with
fill
cement.
Actually, that might just be sand. And then they put a PVC pipe.
Yeah, they usually just do it.
And they put the flag on and all that. That used to be a flag.
But the next time we come here and that's still there, we're gonna build a wall, like a mesh wall, and try to catch all the bait that's in.
Yeah, there's a lot of bait.
It's basically just free bait.
Yeah. So right now we're walking through like time.
We're gonna head to the mountain.
It's like a weird thing right there. You see that? It's
the mountain, basically.
No, that little mountain right there. I think that's a net. You see that? I think that's a net. I want that.
Oh dang, I see that.
I think I just saw a net.
It is very wet and I'm trying not to move the phone.
It is a net. No, it's not a net.
It's not. What?
It looks like it's
What? It's rope.
Oh, it is. Yeah, so we just found a bunch of rope. A lot of it. Could be what's left of an anchor, maybe.
Because there used to be boats over here.
Yeah, this actually used to be a regular dock.
Then Hurricane Poo-Poo came by and destroyed it.
Hurricane Sandy came here, destroyed it, and also moved all the sand in here, so now the boats can dock.
Yeah, well, we need to head around actually, so.
But still, people use this to dock their boats here when it's high tide.
Well, they just run their boats on the sand. And...
No, I said when it's high tide.
Well, yeah, when it's high tide, that's what they do.
We're not worried about the kayaks because it's
Low tide.
going out and it's going to get very, very low.
And no one can steal the kayaks because no one's here at the island.
I think this might be like peak low tide of winter. This might be the lowest because I was checking the tide charts.
So, my friend is making a new YouTube channel. Link in the description. Go follow him.
Oh yeah, I am making a new YouTube channel.
No, not you.
I know, I am though.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm making a new YouTube channel. I'm gonna start doing airsoft too.
Oh yeah, an airsoft channel. Yes.
Because I have an airsoft gun.
I already have one.
Yeah,
it's just,
I know, I might
don't-
seem like a noob. It's a Springer rifle, but the thing has like very high FPS, so I'm gonna use it as a sniper rifle.
Yeah.
No, it's not full batch. It's a pretty nice gun. I like it. That's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna make one video for airsoft.
Yeah, go follow my friend. His name is... I have no idea. He didn't make the channel, or he did make the channel. Like, what's this? Yeah, that's sick.
Walking around.
There's a
Shell.
no, it's you know, the hermit crab shells with a different shell on it.
Is there a hermit crab in it? Oh, no, that's a parasite, dude.
Yeah, it's a parasite.
So there's a parasite on top of a snail on the shell that he has. Here, let me unzoom. Let me see this.
Yeah.
So I think that's a snail in there.
It is.
Yeah, that's definitely a parasite on top of it. You can try and break it off.
I forgot my mallet.
So yeah, just walking around. There's the mountain all the way up there.
Well, yeah, just go follow my friend. Link will be in the description. I don't know his name yet. And go follow Kian if I can ever find his link. I don't know what it's gonna be.
I'm also gonna work on an intro scene. Not like a crappy gamer intro.
Like here, right? Aren't you gonna do it here?
I might. So
a lot of fish get stuck in these tide pools. It's not really see-through.
This actually used to be a regular dock. As you can see, you were able to walk on this and make bulkhead. It would connect to the railroad tracks down there.
It gets muddy. It gets.
Yeah,
there's
a big clay deposit right here. So like, I mean, it's easier to walk on sometimes, but it's very slippery.
If you come to here, this island, you can find a bunch of stuff. Found an empty hermit crab shell. You can find so much garbage and actually cool stuff here.
Piece of garbage.
Garbage, yeah.
I think we're gonna pick that up later.
Yeah, we'll come back. We're going up on this mountain. This place is falling apart.
Eroded away by wind.
And hurricanes. Over there. It's cool though. So, this is getting eroded by the wind and rain from all the storms we've been having in Point Pleasant.
Trevor, I found another piece of that bike. Try the frame.
That's a little thick. No, it could be.
No, that's aluminum, dude.
Alright.
We found another part of the bike frame, like,
Found this can.
What?
Look at what I found.
That's like a mini oil can. He found, that's like a strap for like a kayak.
Yeah, it's a cut kayak strap.
Another piece of the bike.
I don't know if I'll take this. I don't know what I'll need it for, but
Oh, there's some wire right here.
I'll possibly burn or cut this off and stuff. So I'll just put it down there.
Where most of the clay is, right here.
Yeah, this used to be
and
higher.
This is where this actually,
this got high.
This got a lot bigger than it was. So yeah, we're gonna climb this.
It's like, you can see everything.
How are we gonna climb up? Where's our path that we always take?
Oh,
well, that's the part that we sit up on, right there.
No, yeah, right there.
This is one part of the path. That's the other part. Let's go up here.
Let's just go.
So this is gonna be a little difficult of a climb.
Yep.
Here. Once you get up there, can you take my phone? Thanks, Trevor.
You're welcome.
Yeah, now this is very fun. Because when we get down, we don't like slide down or anything. We jump down to the very top.
Crap, it snapped. I use this strong thing and I hold.
Sea oyster, I think. Or, no, it's not oyster.
We need to find a way to get on this island. It's sick.
This is it's actually a lot hotter up here than I thought it would be.
Oh dang, it is. Well, heat rises.
Yeah, that's true. Here, Trevor, can you take my phone? I'm climbing up this route.
Alright. This is how I did it.
This thing's awesome. Here, can I see that? Yeah, now look at my shoes.
Look at my feet. Yeah, I'll rinse them off. Alright. There's a lot of... Same. There is... There's a shirt. Oh dang. It's kind of bright. Look, you can see that shirt. It's weird. Usually no one's on this island. See everything. There's the kayaks and flags. There's Ken. I'm actually on the other side.
That's Trevor. A lot of stuff that we find over here. We've always been trying to find a way to get up. That's a walk.
I think I just found a way up.
So yeah, we're trying to find ways to get up on top. What does it look like up there?
Tree and stuff. You gotta come here with shoes.
I'm not tall, so I'm gonna try and reach my phone up there.
Here, you want? I'll take your phone.
Or wait.
Look off into the distance.
Alright, you know what? I'm not even. Yeah. Jump down that way, but there's probably glass waves that kill our feet, or we can drop down that way. So we're gonna jump down. This is actually gonna look pretty cool.
That snapped. That snapped.
So we're gonna jump down and walk back to the kayaks.
No, we're gonna go walk to the...
Or no, we're walking to Crab Island.
Crab Island base.
This is where all the crabs mate. There's like a big island where they all have babies. Yeah, it's like the Soviet Union of fiddler crabs. You're gonna jump first, or am I gonna jump first?
I'll jump first.
Okay, jump down.
That was sick.
You weren't jumping all the way.
I was, but I didn't know.
Here, film me. Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna hold on tight.
This is what...
Oh shit! Oh. Oh.
Yeah, you said one bad word, but that's fine. It's Uno.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh, look at that.
That's my phone right now.
That's not good. You know what? I'm gonna jump again.
Ow.
I'm not gonna pull a key in though.
No, I twisted my ankle like a little bit bad.
Oh, that stinks. There's this pink root. Leave in the description. Oh wait, go to my Instagram and if you know what it is. It's weird. All right, this is what is supposed to happen.
Try and jump and land right
King,
there.
you gotta hold it this way.
How big is this cliff? We don't know. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do it, except I want you to hold my phone. Hold my phone so I don't
Crap,
miss it.
I was flying.
I want to fly.
Look at this phone. Yo, I went flying. Alright.
Trevor went new.
I'm gonna jump again, but Keen's gonna hold my phone.
Yeah, after I get up.
Need to play with the settings a tiny bit. Sorry, my phone is dark. I'll just see the screen.
Here I go. Alright, it's always this part.
It just can't. Now Keen's gonna hold the phone for me, and I'm gonna jump. So guys, the video clip of me jumping off that cliff wasn't good, but I think I got enough from that cliff. That cliff's fun. We're probably gonna go back before we go back to the kayaks. And I found this tennis ball. On Keen's channel, we were talking about all this garbage, all this junkety junk that is right here.
Okay, when we get up here, this is where I found most bait.
Yes.
more bait than anything. We actually found a marlin head over here too.
Oh, that was sick.
That
looks like some kind of food.
It smelled very bad.
Yeah, and the tennis ball. I'll probably just give it to my dog, rinse it off, and my dog would like it. It's windy today. That looks like a deer stand, but there's never deer on this island.
Yeah. Comment if you know what the heck that is. We don't.
I'm assuming it's a deer stand. Here, we can't get to it.
It might be like a hunting thing.
Yeah, for what?
Like dog.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
no, because it's too close to like people's houses.
Shouldn't be doing
I don't know
this.
what that is. Trevor, I looked over there. There's probably a lot of deer. But yeah, by the way, there's lots of ghost trails here.
Ow.
Like, a lot of ghost trails. Oh yeah. Oh, gulp. I think.
It's dried up.
Nope, it's not gulp. It's actually some pretty cool bait.
That would work. Keep that can.
I'm keeping this.
Now we're gonna split this up evenly.
No, I think it's decomposing.
There's another.
I have to put in the gulp juice because it's decomposing, and I don't have the gulp juice with me right now.
We'll just put in water in a bag because you have a bag.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it in a bag of water.
We have another.
Oh, someone
probably
also
getting bait
went
with
here. Yeah.
cast net because
Lots of bait in here.
We'll go show you around because see,
Fishbone.
there's so many heads. And
That
that looks like a head of a fish.
That's definitely a head of a fish. There's other dead stuff that no one wants to.
Well, the seagulls are eating. I can't really show the dead stuff on camera because
Yeah, I can't either.
you'll get demonetized and
Yeah,
your
we're
channel.
probably
You'll get a channel strike. Even though I don't have any. I don't want to lose my 36 subscribers.
I don't want to lose my 10 or whatever.
6.
Oh.
Well, I'll try to get you to 10. Because I started filming now
Yeah,
because
I'm trying to get subscribers right now.
I started filming because one of my videos got 137 views. For a tiny channel, that's good.
Oh, the piece of a broom.
Yeah,
It is. Piece of a broom for like a boat.
See a bunch of garbage.
Lots of garbage. Well, actually, lots and lots of garbage. Yeah, we found bait. Which actually.
Now you gotta look up in here for the bait.
This is where we find all the bait. I found. It's a jewel. We're gonna throw that away. Don't pick that up. Don't put it in your mouth. Yeah, we found
and
a
it's
bait. Throw it and throw it. Just throw it. You don't want that.
Hold my phone. Make sure you're filming correctly. So this jewel.
Yeet. Oh.
Still.
I almost hit the kayak.
Yeah, it's good.
So yeah, this is actually a nice little river over here.
It's all blurry now.
Crab head. We can show you like the crab head.
Alright, there we go.
You won't get it from our eyes.
That was all blurry.
Oh.
My phone. I had to
It
fix
really
it.
wasn't focused.
Yeah, I had to
now
fix
you gotta
the
walk up
focus.
here because this is where I found all the bait.
Now, if you have the 7, leave a like on this video. iPhone 7. Crab head. These are fun to find.
Yeah, the crab heads we find a lot of them. But the gross crabs are actually what they catch with the almost
Toothbrush.
big one. Toothbrush plastic.
No, like a whole toothbrush.
I know.
So, we're coming up on the...
Yeah, we're coming up.
I think you can find a way in this way. I have no idea.
I don't think there's gonna be as much fits as there usually.
No, because it's winter time, even though it's pretty nice out. I'll try to find one and show you up close. This video is going to be long. I'm not going to cut it out or anything.
This is going to be a very long video. It's mostly just us walking around. Is that their bait?
But the thing is, longer videos are more interesting.
Yes, actually they are.
Short videos are cool, but no.
Well, not for a long time, so yeah.
It's the one thing about YouTube. Ow.
Shell, nail,
That.
thing.
Ow, that hurt.
Yeah, there's stuff.
These things grow. Oh, spiky. That's what I step on all the
Yeah,
time.
I found that one over here.
So I'm not wearing shoes, so.
Yeah, more boats. Some of them are racing boats.
No, it's definitely not. There's 2 boats. 2 pretty nice boats, actually. When I'm older, I want a boat with a cuddy cabin.
Yeah, by the way, Trevor's older than me.
Yeah, I'll get a...
He's a lot older than me. I mean, actually, like by a few months, but he
You see there's somebody right there.
Yeah, there's someone right there.
We'll go this way.
This is a very pretty place, kind of, I guess.
Yeah. There's like a stream.
Yeah, there's like a little stream. It's very quiet over here.
Well, it's a bridge. Very loud bridge. No, it's the bridge, actual bridge.
That's the train bridge.
No, that big bridge.
Oh, no, not the big bridge.
The bridge is very loud.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go show you the big lake, and it's very muddy here. Very muddy.
Yeah, I almost slipped.
It's actually really muddy.
So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I play hockey. It's like very slippery. It's very hard.
I don't play hockey. I know ice is slippery though. You see that?
No. Yeah, I got stuck in the sand.
Muddy sand. He found a tarp. I'm gonna show you this lake that we found a while ago. Next, look at all the ducks. They're leaving. Feet muddy. It's kind of disgusting, so I'm not showing you it again. This is it. Possibly, maybe go over there. Probably. What?
Sometimes we can actually just walk to Flag Island. Because it connects to the river track.
Yeah, I know. I've been down here.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I haven't walked.
There's stuff. Lots
Can't
of
possibly, if we remember. Minnow trap.
Yes!
Half.
No, it's fine. Just keep it. Because remember, you still need your other half. Even though it's bent, we're going to bend it back in place with a mallet.
Kean, you need to take this. My kayak. Oh. Can you carry that? 'Cause
yeah.
we're possibly going to head down
So
this way.
This actually might be the best find
Of the day so far. It's a minnow trap because
I got bait. He has a minnow
neighbors
trap.
stupid. Yeah.
Well, yeah. So there's these kids next to the lake, and oh yeah, if those kids are watching this, please stop playing with their traps.
It's stupid.
So they.
I lost three $21 traps.
And I lost two like $15 traps.
No, they're the same.
What?
They're the same price.
Yeah. So what they do is they like pick them up and
They don't know how to close the half, so then.
yeah, they steal all our bait first of all, and then they play with it, and then they throw it in, and only we got one half back. One half of the trap. We need two halves for it to work. Talk to their mom. Their mom gets all pissy about it.
Yeah, and said,
I actually had them on video playing with the traps. Showed them.
and they.
She didn't care. She said it was their kids. It was obviously their kids. But yeah, I'm happy about it.
And they said, I'm going this way. And they, one of the kids a while ago said that they checked my trap for me.
Yeah, a lot of the kids, they say, oh yeah, we checked your trap for you.
And then,
So it's kind of obvious that it's them.
yeah. Well, like, there's a older, yeah, it's just not good.
Also, if that mom is watching this, please keep your kids away from our trap and we're gonna have
What we already do.
Yeah, I know I'm short, but my
Short.
dad's like actually pretty tall, I guess. Oh yeah, but Trevor's taller than my dad.
Crap. Oh, look, fish. Fish.
Oh, there are fish. Don't know if you can see. I'm not going that way. I can't.
Why?
I'm getting stuck in the mud.
Oh, crap.
Come back. Okay, we're gonna head back.
We're gonna head back to the clip real quick. Do one more jump and then we're gonna go.
No, we're not going back to the cliff. We're just gonna hang out by the kayak.
Well, what are we gonna do by the cat? Oh.
Just hang out over there, I guess. Wash our hands off because it's disgusting over here.
Yeah, with this ball.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Ooh, I just stepped in one.
there's a lot of broken stuff here.
No, they're these stupid pointy. These bush.
These bushes, like when they start sprouting,
Well,
they're super sharp. Super sharp.
ew. I would come back to this place just with cheese are in the summer.
I play goalie for roller hockey. I might get a video of that. I gotta wash this thing off.
Your phone? Oh. You gotta get a wet wipe for your phone. That's all.
Yeah, when I fell on the cliff, I got some sand on my phone.
Yeah, that's on video too.
It is on video.
You could
Oh, yeah. Now, to get my channel popular, any of those people who put together those like funny videos or whatever, if you find my video, put that clip in there.
Oh yeah, or my video. Because I filmed it and you...
Oh yeah, bridge is going up.
That's a sick sound. Looks like somebody's on the bridge. Car. That's fine, we don't need to film that. It's just wasting my 106 and 128 gigabyte storage.
Dude, I have like 230 gigabytes.
No, you have 256.
Oh. 256 gigabit storage.
So hopefully no one else is on the island besides this
I
person.
mean, there is one other person, but they don't look like they're doing anything bad.
Oh dang, that's a big head.
Yeah, we're not gonna show you that.
Oh.
It's disgusting though. It's part of the spine and stuff on it. It's definitely a fish.
That's all muddy over here.
Yeah, we're not gonna walk any further over
No,
here.
that's cool. So,
Yeah, the bridge is all the way up now.
if you're a boater and you see a no wake buoy and you go fast, don't go fast.
Yeah, just don't. That's not nice.
This is for these for my kayak. These 3-foot boat wakes.
Some boat. There's a no wake warning, and the
boat cruises by.
and a boat
Goes-
just sped past Trevor. I was already on the island.
Yeah,
and
it was like
it
basically.
rocked him hard.
I almost tipped.
He almost flipped over, and that's not good.
Because my kayak's a sit-in kayak.
His is a sit inside kayak.
No
I am a
drainage.
sit inside kayak. Well, he doesn't have a drainage plug or anything.
No, it's just the top. Which I want a new kayak that's stand up, everything on it, fishing rod,
Yeah, he's getting a fishing kayak.
basically. Hopefully.
Which
The current is super strong here. We cannot kayak. I don't know
Yeah,
how
we
these
can't
people.
kayak
They probably
across.
went that way and came here. I don't know which way they're gonna go now. Probably get picked up.
oh yeah.
That kayak's
So,
a nice kayak.
so since his is a 12-foot kayak, he might get a 5 feet wide. It's gonna be able to fit
I
two
would
people.
think.
It would be able to fit 2 people, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So me and Trevor could make a video where we both go out on that kayak.
In the summertime, we're gonna do it. Dude.
That's a cannonball jellyfish.
It's still alive.
You can touch on.
I wouldn't touch it.
All right, yeah. Jellyfish.
Let's just chuck it back in.
I'm throwing it back in the water.
Even if it is dead, I bet something would eat it. I don't know what or something.
No, the sharks. I think.
I'm gonna find a jewel that's over here. It's their kayak. They have a nice storage. There it goes. There. Now there's the jewel.
Jellyfish.
There's the jewel. If you smoke, if you vape,
If you vape, you're stupid.
it's stupid. And if I vape, I'm
Oh
stupid.
yeah, if you vape, unsubscribe to my channel.
Not me, because I need subscribers. If you have 2 million subscribers, you're probably only 50,000 if you say that. Because a lot of people vape. It's very windy, you can tell. This is the island. I don't know what you can see, but it's a very beautiful island. We're gonna head back to the kayaks, so I'll meet you there.
So, yeah.
So guys, we are back at the kayaks. There's seagulls. That was fun, jumping off that cliff. So, this video was a fun one at this island. We're not leaving yet. We're
I know,
just
I'm
gonna...
just getting my bag out. Putting the bait in it so it doesn't die.
Yeah. Then we're gonna...
Yeah, I found,
found
so you
this.
know, I found this bait. Trevor found that trap.
I found that trap, which is cool. So you're just gonna fill
Oh
it
yeah,
up with
comment
water.
airsoft if I should.
I don't
make
have
an
comment
airsoft
section.
channel. Why?
Because it's...
Oh, you have it enabled for a kids channel?
Yeah, and then they won't let me change it back.
Well, I made it so I don't have to make content for kids.
Well, I'll see you guys later.
Later.
Bye. So guys, this is the end of the video. I caught a green crab.
that I found. I spotted.
No, I spotted it.
Whatever.
And I got it. He's still alive. He's grumpy. He's big. They're invasive. Made a whole video about that. Go watch that one. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.